Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a V8 sound card for karaoke. Setting up your V8 sound card is straightforward. First, connect the sound card to a power source using the included USB cable, then plug it into your computer or smartphone. Next, connect your microphone to the microphone input and your headphones or speakers to the headset or speaker output. Make sure all connections are snug for the best sound quality. Once connected, it's time to fine-tune your audio. The V8 sound card features several knobs to control microphone volume, music volume, and monitor volume. You can also explore the built-in sound effects like reverb and echo, and even try out the voice changer options. Don't forget to select the correct accompaniment mode to ensure your music plays clearly without your vocals being overshadowed. The V8 sound card offers versatile connectivity. For recording or live streaming, connect it to your computer via USB. If you're using your phone for backing tracks, simply connect it to the sound card's accompaniment input using a 3.5mm audio cable. Always confirm that your device's audio output is directed to the sound card, allowing it to process all your karaoke sounds effectively. To achieve the best karaoke experience, a few tips can help. Always perform a quick sound check before you begin, ensuring your microphone and music levels are balanced. Position your microphone about 2 to 4 inches from your mouth to capture clear vocals and minimize feedback. Experiment with the various sound card settings to discover your unique and perfect karaoke sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.